Welcome back. We've already covered adding team members, creating private deals, and negotiating offers. Now let's master your workflow by comparing sales quotes versus sending an offer. Sunhub allows suppliers, including manufacturers, distributors, and brokers, to promote their products, reach their clients, and manage deals all in one place. Let's start with Send Offer. After logging in, navigate to Send Offers from the left side panel. This section shows all the privately listed deals created by your company. Multiple sales reps can list deals, and all eligible deals appear here based on role permissions. If you're a sales rep, you'll only see the deals you've listed. If you're managing a company account, you'll see deals listed by all sales members. You can select deals created by the same sales member and click Next. Now select one or more clients. This allows you to send the same offer to multiple clients at once, making it ideal for announcing new products, promoting excess or overstock inventory, or sharing future production availability. Type in a subject and message that will be common for all selected clients. Preview the email before sending. Here you can also view product details like specifications and documents. Once sent, the offer appears in the View Offers section. Until the client responds with a bid or inquiry, no chat is initiated. Offers simply let clients know what inventory is available, along with pricing in general terms. Now let's look at Send Sales Quote. Sales quotes are used when a specific client has shown interest in a specific product and quantity. Navigate to Send Sales Quote from the left panel. Here, all listed deals in your portal are visible. You can select one deal at a time and send it to multiple clients if needed. Select your client or clients from the list. The system automatically fetches key details like original price per watt, available quantity, deal ID, and product title. You can now customize the quote. Adjust the price per watt, quantity, and unit as needed. Set an expiry date since sales quotes are time-bound. Add a subject and message to accompany the quote. Preview the email before sending. Once sent, the sales quote appears in the View Sales Quotes section. If you open a sent quote and click View Quotation, a chat is automatically initiated. This allows both sides to discuss and refine terms directly. If the expiry date is updated, it will instantly reflect in the chat. Once accepted by the client, the quote turns into a purchase order and a contract is generated. This makes revising, customizing, and finalizing quotes fast and flexible, even when sending different versions of the same product to different clients. To summarize, offers are for promoting available inventory to multiple clients, with general pricing and terms. Sales quotes are custom, client-specific, quantity-specific, and designed to move directly toward a confirmed order. Sunhub's portal gives sellers the flexibility to do both, helping you reach more clients, respond faster, and close deals with confidence. Thank you for watching this tutorial.